Hi, welcome. It's the girl Juliana, Empire Official, and today I'll be doing baked bean and a saltfish for breakfast. So I'll be showing you guys step by step. I already need the flour, so the only thing left for me to do is to cut the saltfish, put it in the pot, and make the dumpling and put it inside. Then I'm gonna add plantain to it. Yes. So please remember to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload a video. So stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the amount that I want to use. Yes. And then I'll be back. So guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and make the dumpling and put it in the pot. I already put the saltfish to boil. So I'm just making my dumpling. Then I'm gonna peel my plantain and my potato. So this is how I make them, guys. And I'm ensuring that I cook a lot. Yesterday is Labor Day. See how neat they are? Yeah. I like my dumplings to be small, not big. And this is caramel dumpling, guys. As I stated before, I don't like white flour. I'd rather to eat the caramel dumpling. So the only thing gonna be missing is pumpkin. I didn't get any pumpkin. And yum. So small pieces. And that should be good. So I'm almost finished with the flour, making the flour. So this is the amount that we got. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like these. So I'm just gonna split this in two. So this is the last piece now I'm gonna make. So, fish. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get the potato, wash it, map it back. So this is the potato. I already washed it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and peel them to put them inside the boiling water. I'm just gonna use a knife to peel. I'm not gonna use a potato peeler. I'm gonna take too long. So I'm gonna slice it in two. So slicing them into each time I peel, I slice. slice it in two. I'm just gonna slice it in two. I'm just gonna finish peeling off the camera, guys, then I come back. So guys, I finished peeling the potato, so now I'm gonna add it to the pot. Then I'm gonna peel the plantain. So this is the plantain. I'm just gonna go ahead and wash them, peel them off camera, then come back. So guys, I wash the plantain and I'm gonna put it inside the pot now. So I'm just gonna make a mark like that, and see, it's very easy to peel. Put it in. Let's mark them and peel it off. Last time you guys were asking about ripe plantain, so this time I ensure that I get ripe plantain. So I have two more pieces left, and then I'm finished. So this is the last piece. Sorry about the noise you're hearing in the background. I'm just gonna cover the pot. Then I'm gonna rinse off the saltfish and pick it up. So guys, I went ahead and I cut my onion. I use red onion, guys, or purple, whatever you guys call it in your country. And I'm scaling my thyme, onion, my garlic, and my hot Jamaican pepper. So I'm just gonna put it inside the pot. So I'm just gonna cover that to go and fry up. Then I had the saltfish, and then afterwards I'll add the baked bean to it. So see you in a few. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put the saltfish So the next time I come back, it's gonna be the baked bean I'm gonna put in the pot. Okay. So this is the baked bean that I'm using, guys. First, I'm gonna use this one. So I'm just gonna leave that to steam out, and then I'm gonna go ahead and share the most important part when it comes to food. Girl, love food, bad. So stay tuned. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have reached this far, thank you so much for watching the video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload a video. So guys, finally finished. So I'm gonna be sharing out the food, and then I'll take pictures and stuff like that and show you guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye everyone.